What if I told you that when a woman genuinely likes you, there are certain behaviors she simply can't fake over time? Not because she's trying to reveal anything, but because real interest naturally shows up in consistent patterns. And most men miss these signs because they're looking for something obvious, when in reality, attraction is often subtle, repeated, and emotional rather than loud. And in this video, we're breaking down 4 things women only do when they truly like you. So stay till the end, because the last one is the clearest sign that separates curiosity from real interest. The first thing is she invests her time without being asked, not just responding when you reach out, but finding ways to talk to you, spend time with you, or extend interactions, because time is one of the most valuable things someone can give, and when it's given freely, it reflects genuine interest. The second thing is she pays attention to the smallest details about you, remembering things you said casually, noticing changes in your mood or behavior, and bringing them up later, because when someone likes you, their awareness of you naturally increases, and this kind of attention is hard to fake consistently. The third thing is she becomes emotionally responsive to you, meaning your presence, your words, and your behavior affect her mood more than usual. She reacts more, engages more, and sometimes even overthinks small interactions, because when feelings are involved, emotional sensitivity increases. The fourth and most powerful thing is she stays consistent over time. Not necessarily constant communication, but a pattern of returning, engaging, and maintaining connection, because real interest doesn't disappear randomly. It shows up again and again in different forms. Now, here's where most men go wrong. They focus on isolated moments instead of patterns, assuming interest too quickly, or missing it entirely because they're only looking for clear, direct signals, when in reality, human behavior is more layered than that. Another important point is that these signs don't mean perfection or constant attention. People have their own lives, moods, and responsibilities, but when someone truly likes you, there will always be a baseline level of effort and engagement that doesn't disappear. The key is to stay grounded, not overreacting to every signal, but observing over time, because consistency reveals truth. It's also important to respond naturally, not by chasing harder or pulling away completely, but by maintaining balance, confidence, and your own sense of direction, because attraction grows best when both people feel comfortable and not pressured. In the end, when a woman likes you, her actions will reflect it in ways that repeat, not just once, but consistently. And when you learn to recognize those patterns, you stop guessing, you stop overthinking, and you start moving with clarity and confidence. And that's what allows you to build connections that are real, mutual, and naturally developing rather than forced or misunderstood.